Yummy, yummy burger! Let's enjoy it! Oh no! My burger fell apart! Oh, I am so hungry! Kids, can you help me make another burger? Let's assemble one together! Are you ready? Let's go! First, we need the bottom bun. Next comes the fresh, crunchy lettuce. Wow, it's so green and healthy. Now, let's add a juicy tomato. Nice and red. Now, let's add a slice of cheese. Cheese makes our burger extra tasty. Next comes the beef patty. Now let's put it in the pan and fry it for a little bit. Yummy! It smells so delicious. Let's put it on the bun. Our hamburger is getting bigger. Finally, let's put the last ingredient, the top bun. Wow, our delicious hamburger is ready. Thank you for helping me make this delicious hamburger.